Hi, I'm Sarah from Mini Picassos, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an anime face. Let's go. We want to draw a circle. So you want to draw a circle quite lightly for the start. And obviously you can rub this out later. So this is the circle for the head. Okay, next we're going to do just a little bit of a line just down the centre. Obviously we can darken these after, and we're going to just do just a little bit of an extra bit for the chin. Okay, so, and we're going to do a little bit more because remember anime have quite large heads and then they have these huge eyes, so we want to get it pretty much like that. Okay, so let's just neaten this up a little bit. So just go over that a little bit. Go over that a little bit there, and we can rub these out later. Okay, we're going to have the eyes, possibly top of the head is going to be here. The bottom of the eyes we want sort of here. Nose, this will be the mouth, so we're going to have that sort of spacing. Okay, so make sure you get those lines. We want a centre line there. Okay, so first of all we're going to go for the eyes. So we're going to start off with top of the eye like that. We're going to keep it quite wide, and we want to have just at the top, and I would definitely do both eyes together, so we want to be trying to get them pretty much same like that. Okay, then we want to have, you're going to do quite a thick top bit there, and we want to have the eye in the middle is going to be sort of about that size. Okay, you want to have the other one pretty much the same, so just try and darken it up a little bit. Perhaps one, this eye is going to go, just level them up. Just make sure that they're about the same size. We're going to have, there we are. Okay, just a quick look, see whether that's okay. All right, now on the top we're going to have this little bit here, like that, a bit like that. And then we're going to have this sort of bit as well. Then I want you to just draw in the centre. We're going to draw that eye, we're going to draw just in the middle. Okay, now we want to take over the top. So then we're going to have the black lashes are going to come down here a little bit. So we want to go out with the lash like that, and another one, and perhaps one more. Perhaps do the same on the other side. So we want to do it out, and then come down here. Another one. Okay. Okay, there we go. Then what we need to do is we're going to leave little circle of light, a little circle of light, another one there, another one there. Okay, those are our little circles of light. What we need to do now is just do very, very light shading over the eye. Just shading just carefully like that. And do the other one, very shaded. Very gently, really hardly touching at all the paper. Okay. So now I want you to go darker with the pupil. Okay. Then we need to do these shaded bits at the top. So again, like an extra shaded bit there. And we want to go really, really dark over the top bit. Okay. Then that extra shading just at the top to give it sort of a little bit of emphasis there. And then come down into the pupil a little bit, very, very light shading. And then here we're going to do just those bottom lashes, which is just a line. And then we do little, just like that, hardly anything. And then I just want you to do a very slightly, very light line that just sort of goes around. Okay, I'm just going to make that a little bit more. And then this one, let's go to this eye. So we go shading at the top of the actual eye ball, like that. Try not to get into that white light. We want to keep that white light so that it looks shiny. Go over the top. And then inside here again, shade inside onto the eyeball, just to give that sort of form that it is like an eyeball, like a marble almost. And that will make your anime character look very realistic. Okay. And it is nice just to use a very soft pencil. I'm using a HB, normal HB pencil. Obviously you can go over these with Sharpies later on if you want to, but sometimes it's just really nice to do these pencil studies until you get really good at doing anime. Okay, quite happy with that. Just need the last little bit here. So we've got, again, little eyelashes. This is the bottom lash. We want 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, so then we need to bring out, just a little bit of darkness down there, little bit of the eyeball carrying on, perhaps that can go out a tiny bit more. Okay, then perhaps that one. Obviously you can put as many eyelashes, but usually anime, just 3 or very, very slight emphasis on that eyeliner at the top. Okay, now I'm just going to darken this a little bit more because that makes it just a little bit more dramatic. Perhaps more black inside. Then you've got to look and think, are these even? Now it's very hard sometimes to get them even. Sometimes what I do is to have, you can sometimes fold the paper and just copy the one eye if you want to do one at a time. It sometimes works, but usually if you try and draw them both at the same time, they usually stay quite symmetrical. Okay, right, happy with that. Okay, now I want to have a little nose here, just like that. That's all we need. Tiniest nose. Then we're going to go for a small mouth, just 2 little dots. We can do a little bit of a bottom lip, tiny top lip. All you need, that's all you need. If you want to shade this in, that's fine. A bit like that. Okay. When we've done all that, now we need to start rubbing out all these lines. So we can get rid of that very gently. Try not to get rid of too much of the facial features on anything rubbed out. So try to avoid rubbing out the eyes that you've just done, obviously. Okay, now. And sometimes actually better to have a smaller rubber than my big ones. Still, got it. Okay, now I am sort of thinking her head is a little bit wide for this one, so I'm going to just bring the head in ever so slightly. So I'm going to change the head very, very slightly like that. And I'm going to also put some ears on. Now this one, again, changing it because, you know, if you spend quite a bit of time just drawing it out in pencil before the pen, obviously then you can do the rubbing out. Now, she is going to have a fringe. So I'm going to take her from here. She might have a little bit of an eyebrow like that. Here, she's going to have this huge fringe that sort of comes right the way down. And you can emphasize the chunkiness of the fringe, doing some shading later, but we're just going to draw the fringe on and give it she's going to have a really nice chunky hairstyle. I'm going to take the starting point out here and just use these long motions like that. You can just drag the pencil down. And then here I'm going to pull her hair in little bits. We want really, that's it, lovely. Okay, use a bit of a chunky bob. So she's going to have hair sort of pushing over there, a little bit over here. And then I'm going to just do tiny bit of shading. Okay, so now we want some shine on the hair. So I'm going to do shading, just using the side of the pencil, really gently. And you can do a little bit of shadow on the face, as if the hair is clumping down onto the face a little bit. And then we're going to do this shading on the top. Just leave this sort of lovely shine to her hair. You might want to go a bit darker in the middle on the top and then come down very gently. Obviously, a bit more time you will have. You can do it a bit neater possibly than I'm doing it, but this is really nice little drawing, and anybody can do this. I mean, it takes a little bit of practice, but whoops, see what happens when you have your hand across your drawing a little bit. Oh dear, it's all right. sometimes it's quite good to put a bit of paper underneath if you don't want to spoil joints. Just pull that eye back a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do that, a little bit on the top. And there she is. I'm going to call her Lulu. I think she looks like a Lulu to me. And then you can do a bit of darkness here. Going up the side. And then swishy sort of hair hanging there. And do a little bit of dark shading here, just to emphasize the hair reaching the face. And then obviously you can get some Sharpies and just colour in your cute little girl. There she is, Lulu. Thank you, and happy drawing. Obviously you can subscribe to see a few more manga surprises on the Mini Picassos channel. Right, happy drawing.